we go. So this is a greenhouse. Oh, the trays.
These are the seedling trays. These are tomato seedlings. So you can see that we raise them in the trays, and we are using this kind of soil. This is peat moss. We are using for sprouting the seeds. Yes. So you can plant like one seed per hole.
So which type is this?
This is Anso.
Okay.
Yes. And then you cover, they take here 21 days. And they are ready for transplanting.
These are the ones that we saw, the grown-up tomatoes.
Yes. So like you see this one, you can take it and plant in your garden. This is now a seedling, and it will start growing straight away.
So you sell it at that point?
Yes.
At this level, that's how you sell them?
Yeah. At 21 days, we sell. So there are different seedlings here we raise.
Do you have any mint?
But mint is the other side in another nursery. Yes, but it is available.
How about lavender?
Also.
Okay.
So you said this one takes how long?
21 days.
21 days, okay.
Yeah.
Happy New Year. Hi. Atewan, what's this?
This is spinach.
Spinach.
Yes.
They've been harvested through?
Yes.
They've been...
So, these are
Spinach.
yeah. So this is spinach. So we raise different vegetables here, but in the trays. Green pepper,
so this one is also
cabbage,
spinach.
broccoli, all those what you have seen outside, they are raised here. So people who want to plant in their backyard, they come and buy seedlings from here.
What's the average rate of the seedling?
What? Okay.
Let's say now if I'm getting tomatoes,
Yes.
how do you sell in
The sale of
dozens?
a seedling.
A seedling?
You can even buy one.
Hey, how
Yes.
much is one?
It's 500. Then the others is 300.
Hey.
So it depends on your space. The same depends on the space you have. Yes.
When someone is buying, you give them in the tray or they come
We
with
pack.
their... Oh,
We pack
there is
them.
a way you pack them.
Yes.
Okay.
So these are the same... Which plants are these ones?
Those are eggplants.
Eggplants. Oh, the one we saw there that are eggplants.
At the moment we don't have a lot of seedlings.
And this one is pepper.
We are planting. That is the cayenne pepper around there. And the ntula.
Okay.
So African eggplant.
So cayenne, ntula.
Yes. Yes.
Ntula like garden, white garden egg, green garden egg.
Green. So they are the same.
Thai garden egg. Is the green
They are the
one.
same seedlings the other side.
Okay.
We are just trying to plant more.
All right. Let me have a recording of them. Nutella, green Nutella. So that's green Nutella, seedlings, I'm telling you. Also this looks like same green Nutella, like the neighbor, as you can see. So these ones have been harvested already. People come here, buy the seedlings, take the seedlings ready to plant. That's it. And this one is empty. They've harvested. So the trays stay in this greenhouse. Nutella, green pepper, as you can see. Nice. All right.
them in that cutting, or by transplant them straight away?
You can keep them. You can keep them.
Kubanga I have stubborn people at home, they can just see lavender and start plucking.
You can plant them. You can keep them and plant them. They can stay there for some time.
For some time, eh?
Yeah.